Hello to all my friends out there. So this is the back seat of my car, but you know I'm busy today, so I just wanted to make mention what I bought. Okay, my grandmother used to make the bread, and I think it's a good strategy because then you know what's in your bread. So I went to Grocery Outlet and I bought this flour too for about $2.49, and that is a pretty good price. And then I bought some chocolate chips because when I get home in a few minutes I want to make some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, and I posted the recipe. It's the oatmeal cookie recipe. I just add chocolate chips, and these are good quality chocolate chips. I got them for about $2.50, and you know, even the cheapest is $1.99 for 12 ounces, so I thought that was a pretty good deal, so I bought that. And then I bought sugar, Grocery Outlet, $1.99, because you know I need sugar for my tea and my cookies. And then I bought these walnuts for $7.99 at Grocery Outlet. Then I bought a few more things at Dollar Tree. Vinegar and lemon, $1. I bought some peanut butter because I plan on making some peanut butter, and I'll make some homemade jam, and I'll make some soda bread with raisins, and those will be some pretty good peanut butter sandwiches. And then I bought these oatmeal at a Dollar Tree for $1 each. So let me see if I can get everything. That's the best I can do in my car. Okay, I gotta rush home. Today is the Super Bowl, so God bless you.